Hello, today I'll be covering Unit 7 of APCS array list in under 2 minutes. An array list is just like an array, except for the fact that it doesn't have a definitive size, so it's very useful when you are having a collection of objects that you don't know how large it's going to be. Before you can use array lists in your Java file, you need to import java.util.star at the top, or asterisk. To declare an array list, you can type array list, then a greater than and less than symbol, and inside the data type you want to store. It doesn't contain primitive data types, meaning if you want to store an integer, or an array list of integers which are primitive, you'd have to use the integer wrapper class. Then have the name of your array list, and then you need to call the constructor with a new keyword. Now, there are many useful methods that are associated with array lists. For example, to get an element at a certain index, you would use the get method. If you wanted to get the size of the array list, just like array.length with regular arrays or primitive arrays, you would use .size with the brackets because it's a method, not a property. If you wanted to add something, you could either use one argument to add a certain element to the end of the array list, or use an index for your first argument to insert it at a certain place in your list. You can also do list.set to set a certain element at some index to a certain different value. And you can remove elements at certain indexes, or you can remove elements by what object by like the value. So for example, you can remove the number 1. Iterating through array lists is basically the exact same as when you would iterate through arrays, so I'm not going to cover that here. Alright, that's APCS in under 2 minutes. Thank you guys for watching.